it's me, Dustin Gaya de Rosaria, and we're going to Narra Park Residences. This is me, Dustin Gaya de Rosaria, and my mother's channel, The Wandering Broker, and we're going to Narra Park Residences to check houses. Yes. See you later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is The Wandering Broker, and welcome to this bungalow house and lot in Narra Park Residences. So let's go take a look at what's inside. Lot area of 100 square meters and a floor area of 45 square meters. So this sale is going to be fully furnished. It comes with all the things that you need to move in. The kitchen is a modular cabinets. Comes with a fridge. It has a simple interior. This is the common toilet and bath. This is the first bedroom. It comes with a cabinet. And this is the master's bedroom, which comes with a bathroom. So if you are a small family and you are just starting, so this house is perfect for you. Narra Park Residences is a project located in Tigato, Buhangin District, Davao City, developed by Alson's Development and Investment Corporation. One of Narra Park Residences' most distinct features is its large parks. 2 1.4-hectare green open spaces where you can have a picnic with your family, play, and enjoy green living. Now let me give you a quick tour to your future neighborhood.
So here's the community of Narra Park Residences.
So let's have a quick tour to their subdivision. So those are these are the houses that are built here. So ayan here.
Ooh, this house is like really cute. Oh my god.
It's just a 100 square meters house. I think so. Yeah.
That's really cute.
So if you have an interior designer or a
landscaper, if you are like a professional yourself.
Yeah, if you're a professional yourself, you can do it. But if you do not have the talent, then you can actually hire someone to do it, like a landscaper or here. Oh, the quiet space.
Yes, corner lot.
Corner lot.
I'm so
you know na the terms.
I know the terms.
Like the corner lot.
Oh, look at this. There's very big space.
Yes.
You can make a pool here.
So here you go. These are the 2-story houses, and we still have available 2-story houses. So if you want to inquire, don't forget to like our YouTube channel
and subscribe. Should we show the baby? Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And ring the notification bell.
Ring.
I mean, what?
No.
What? It is.
You need to press the notification bell. Ring the notification bell.
Should we show the baby?
Baby is at the back.
Baby here, baby here.
Sleepy already.
But he isn't sleeping.
So he is already part of our wandering. I am the wandering broker with the wandering kiddos.
And the wandering father.
Husbandry. So you see the subdivision is a lot of green area, a lot of open spaces. So
it's refreshing.
It's refreshing. There's a lot of natural ventilation. There's a lot of natural air. Ano ba? It's so the eucalyptus. That one is a huge park.
Oh, that's a huge park. Where?
Yeah, that one. The green.
Oh yeah, I really like the exterior.
Green. Yeah, green.
Yes.
Narra Park is also near HB1, and we're heading to the City Gate. That's one of the nearest malls as well.
It has a lot of shops.
Have you been
really
there?
Big.
School, nice school diri sa unahan. There's the MMA. And if you're going to purchase this property, you can occupy this as soon as possible. So what are you waiting for? Give me a call so that we can schedule your viewing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.